Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. Got a Smith Corona Sterling on the bench here, and was purchased as a clean and serviced working typewriter, but it's not so working well. So what happens here is this is oversized type, and it's not shifting properly. See how the characters here are not lining up. But that is more than an adjustment, because if I use the right side shift key, it works fine. But if I use the left side, I get half letters. So this is something wrong. Chances are with this lever linkage going to the shift up here. That's what I'm going to assume is wrong here. And I've taken a quick look at this already. So on top of that, this needs the arm here has to be raised up. It's rubbing against the case. It's also got sticky keys in here, which we're going to fix, like the R. Slow these keys were. Kind of worked them now. So, but these were sticking. You can see the old oil gunked up in here still in the segment. So I'm going to give that a chemical flush too. But as far as that shift goes, this lever runs right up here to this side of the basket and controls the shift. So I've taken a peek in here, and I think I see what needs to be done, and it's right here. So this is the shift arm right there. That arm right there is the shift arm. You can see it come down here and pivot down here. And this side is pretty much the same way. It's got a bracket over there. So I'm going to form this bracket right here at this pivot point, and gives this a shot. And I think it needs to go up. So I'm going to stick my T-bender in here, right in that slot, and I'm going to lift it so that would lift the front of this arm up a little bit. I'm only going to do it a little bit. Right there. Let's see if that changes the situation down here. So let's see. Seems to have made it worse. To tell you the truth, I think it made it worse. So if that's the case, I'll see about bringing it the other direction, like that. See if that works. Might have. Yep. Let's try the shift lock. So that's on shift lock, and that's on shift, and that's lowercase. So that was it. That bracket got bent. So now everything is working. Left side shift, left side shift lock is all in order. So it just got tweaked a little bit. I don't know if that happened in shipping or not. It's hard to tell. This arm, all you gotta do for this arm is just give it a little bend upward, like that. Let's go just a little bit more. See if I can get a little more clearance. that's pretty good. I can almost stick my finger underneath it. Okay, type bars. I'm going to do the chemical flush down here. See if I can get these to have a little more action, less resistance, a little more action would be good. All right, but we got the shift fixed. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.